Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to draw a 3D model of cross screwdriver bit using Autodesk AutoCAD. Firstly, create X section of the bit mouth in front side of the drawing face. You can change it in the coordinates tab. You need to draw half of the side because after that we are going to use revolve command, so it gon make it the other half when revolved. Using revolve command, make the main object 360-degree rotate and the other object we just need to revolve 90-degree. After that go to top view, and slice the extra part of this object, because we don't need this. For slice command you can only type SL in command bar. After that we need to subtract this model from the main object. This will show the cross in the bit. Now by using polygon command you have to draw a hexagonal shape, and the extrude the object. This can help to create the other shape of the model. Go to front side view in coordinates, draw a triangle and also revolve this in 360-degree. We need this to show extra cuts in the model. After revolving and copy the object in needed area, we have to subtract it from the main model. Union all parts, and that's it, your cross screwdriver bit is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.